Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk-around. Very clean 2018 F-150. You picked a good one. Stock number on this vehicle is 7463. Let's give you that virtual video walk-around and show you the exterior, the interior, as opposed to looking at static photos. This truck does have the FX4 package, off-road edition. Of course, it has the tow package, rear slider. This truck comes with oil changes for life at no extra cost to you. Interior condition with the leather, super nice. Heated seats, by the way. Ample legroom for friends and family that might be traveling with you. As you can see, dual moonroof. Just over 30,000 miles on this truck, and look at the impeccable condition of the interior. No rips, no tears, no stains. Absolutely flawless. Love the control panel right here. Easy access within arm's length. For more information on this pickup or any others in our inventory, it's huge. Give us a call, email us, text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you in person and hopefully earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.